I have bought this tabletop water fountain from Amazon, and I am going to give you an honest review about this tabletop water fountain that I have recently bought from Amazon. As you can see, this tabletop water fountain has three small ports. When you will switch on this tabletop water fountain, the water starts gently flowing from one port to another port, and it keeps on flowing. As you can see, there is a small LED light which is fixed to this tabletop water fountain. This is the best home decor product. You can place it in your shelf, in your bookshelf, in your kitchen, and in your bedroom, in your bedside table, and anywhere you want to put in. If you want to buy this tabletop water fountain, then I will provide the link in the description. Yes, you can buy it from Amazon.